Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to your favorite channel where we're helping those nails get healthier and those manis lasting longer. So I am super excited today because we have another product review. We are trying out this one-step gel system from Seaweed Gel. Yes, one-step process. That's nail prep, 2 coats of color, and you're done. I'm really excited about doing this review, not only because a one-step gel process can definitely help cut a little bit more in the manicure time without affecting longevity of the wear, hopefully, or the health of your nails, but also because this company is a Big 5 free and cruelty-free, vegan-friendly. And if you watch my last video regarding gel thinning out nails and the true concerns there are with gel products, then you definitely know that there is value in a product that's putting your nail health and your overall health first. So I'm really excited to see these results. Before we get into the review, let's talk a little bit about this company. So Seaweed Gel is a proudly Canadian company. They established in 2006. It is a family operated and owned business. Being in the industry, they saw that there was a need for great products that were a lot healthier. So they got to work, and they have a good selection of healthier products for your nails. So not just this one-step gel process. They also have your normal 3-step gel process. They have dip powders, regular polish, and they also have sculpting gel, which I guess would also be called hard gel. Definitely going to be trying out their 3-step gel system and already have some of their regular nail lacquer. So later on, we're going to be reviewing that as I show you how to get good long-lasting manicures with regular polish. But today we are trying out their one-step gel system. So a reminder of what I'm looking for in this review. First impressions. Are we getting good consistency? Is it easy to work with? And how is that manicure looking on day one? Are we getting really nice and shiny? And overall durability. Is it being able to last, 2 weeks and deal with all of the everyday tasks that we're putting our nails through? So let's get to it. All right, so this is going to be first impression of Seaweed Gel Unity All-in-One Polish. So I guess rumor has it that this one right here doesn't need a base coat, a top coat. It's all-in-one, and it also says it's an all-in-one including strengthener as well, which is really awesome. So I'm really happy to see what we should expect with the wear. Overall consistency of the polish. Does it look nice and shiny on the first day? And then throughout the 2 weeks, we'll see if it's going to stay nice and shiny and if it wore really well, as if I were to use something that does have a base or a top coat. Let me make sure we get some dust off. So I've just buffed the nails, and it's kind of weird, but instead of doing any kind of base coat, I'm just going to apply the polish. Definitely has a nice consistency. It's a little thick, but super smooth to polish. I love this color. It's very nice. Missing someone. With all your missing someone. Okay, put that one in. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply our second coat. And you did it right from the start. All right, well, it definitely looks really nice and shiny. It's very smooth. I don't see any ridges or anything in the nail that I normally would have probably covered up a little bit with a clear coat, but it's looking really nice. And it's a no sticky layer, so it doesn't require any kind of wipe off. But I'm really happy with this shine. It looks like I totally have a top coat on it. So there we have it, a super cute color, very nice manicure. I'm really loving how shiny it looks and smooth, as if I definitely would have used a base and a top coat. So now the ultimate test is checking out the wear for 2 weeks and seeing if it holds up. So first impressions overall were really nice. It was easy to work with, really good consistency, great coverage. Even on the first coat was really nice coverage. The polish definitely has a little thickness to it, so you want to just be careful that you're not applying it too thick. Apply it thin just because it might give you issues in curing. But overall, really nice, and it's really shiny with no top coat. It's actually pretty awesome. So let's now get into what this manicure looked like after the 2 weeks. All right, so here we have the manicure after 2 weeks. Now remember, this was an all-in-one process. It was 2 coats of the color and that was it. And this client has done some super heavy-duty cleaning. She did deep cleaning in her bathroom, scrubbing, using lots of vinegar. I'm actually really impressed at the longevity of the manicure. You can see here that there's a little bit of fading out. But that actually is really amazing because instead of it separating and lifting, considering that there's no base coat or anything like that, it just kind of faded out, almost like if it was regular nail polish. Here we have a little bit of a chip missing, very small amount. There is very little discoloring on the nail. It's really maybe just on like 1 or 2 of them. But for the most part, the manicure is in really great shape. I'm really excited about this Bio Seaweed gel in the one-step solution. I think that this is very time-saving, really awesome. And I'm actually really impressed. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually going to soak these nails off. I wanna see how long it takes to soak. I'm hoping that it's pretty quick considering that we don't have so many layers. And I'm also gonna test a nail out and soak it off without actually buffing, because that is a time consumer, but super necessary when soaking off gel because it does take extra time. So let's get these soaked and see how long that takes. All right, so this nail we did not buff. You can see a little bit came off. It's been about 6 minutes, but definitely didn't finish soaking off. So probably still better, even with this one-step process, to double soak. I mean, to buff. Let me try out this one over here that we did buff. Okay, yeah, this one still also isn't totally ready to soak off. So, man, it stays on there pretty good. All right, so let's let this finish soaking a few more minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes. And we are soaking off like butter. All right, I was kind of hoping this would take a little less time to soak off, but nonetheless, definitely still a great product. Great durability, especially considering all the work that these hands put that polish through. And it's really good. I'm actually really happy with it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish removing this and clean these nails up. I'll just keep it more. So I was really impressed with this wear overall, especially knowing what those nails went through in the last 2 weeks. I was kind of shocked that we still had a really good manicure. Aside from a couple of little tiny dings and differences, there was still no lifting up from the gel polish, which I also look for. If we're gonna chip, is it gonna make the rest of the nail, you know, kind of start lifting and chipping, or is it just kind of stay where it is and not let it get worse? And this client, even after those little chips happened and she let me know, she was still washing her nails all the time, and she went hard in her bathroom scrubbing with vinegar and really harsh chemicals. So it's really nice to see that even with those chips there, those chemicals didn't keep bringing up the rest of the polish, which is really great. So overall, I would definitely say that this product hit the nail on the head. It really delivers a good long-lasting manicure. It looks really nice. It still maintained really great shine after the 2 weeks. There was very little, almost no discoloring, which is really awesome. As you can see with all the other products I'm testing out, the discoloring is definitely the only struggle that I have with my current go-to product, which is gelish. So I was really happy to see that this product had minimal issues with that, and overall really great. And what makes me even more excited is that it is a healthier nail product option for clients that are a little sensitive or allergic to some of the chemicals in gel, or those clients that just want to have healthier options. And there's nothing wrong with that. We all want to have healthier options. So I'm really looking forward to trying some more of their products, especially their 3-step nail system, as well as their nail lacquer. I don't do dip or hard extensions, so I might try those out later on, because I am going to be doing a review on dip powder, the pros, the cons, and the differences between dip powder and gel. So I might actually get into that dip, but that'll be on another day. So overall for this review, it was great quality, great long lasting, it looked really awesome, and it's healthier. I'd say that those are definitely wins across the board. And seeing as I want to have healthier products in my shop, I'm really excited to see that this might be a brand that I could really count on. So I look forward to trying out some more of their products. Thank you, Bio Seaweed Gel, for bringing something that's really good quality and really healthy for our nails. You definitely hit the nail on the head with what your mission is and what you're delivering in your product. So thank you so much. And I hope everyone out there enjoyed this review. As always, if you haven't already, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification icon and share the info. Lots of people out there want to find out healthier nail products. And lots of people out there are really into these one-step nail systems. I can't wait to try out some more and see how they compare to the Bio Seaweed Gel. So that's going to be all for today, everyone. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.